Something else I forgot to mention that we're gonna film today is we're gonna go to the pink coral dunes in Kanab, Utah. And apparently you're able to, I don't know, they wouldn't call it snowboarding, but it's sandboarding. So we're gonna try and do some of that. It's just down the road and we were reading about it, so we thought we'd check it out. All right, so here we are.
Maybe you should just take these off, Toby.
We're at the pink coral sand dune.
Yeah. Hi.
Hey. This is where we are. Nice. Hey guys, so this is it. We are gonna try this out. It's kind of like I guess they call it sandboarding, but it's more like, well, it's a little bit like snowboarding, but they said you can't carve or whatever. But first time I'm trying it. There's grease back there. It's a little bit of a trek to get out here, especially through the sand, but we'll see how it goes. Check this out. All right, so here's where we're starting. We're gonna try this little hill right here.
What do you think?
These are really cool pictures, like just looking in the viewfinder, it freaking looks rad. All right. Feel pretty good?
You can't see anything.
Hey guys, so we're done with the sandboarding and not as easy as it seems. When I say not as easy, the sandboarding is the easy part. It's fun, effortless, but climbing up those sandy hills is where it takes all the energy out of you. So, are you guys tired? Tired and hungry. Anyway, yeah, that's it for your sandboarding. I think we lasted like an hour, hour and a half. Anyway, that's it.